Very smart idea. But looks like he's got pretty much everything under control here. What's going for us today? Now this particular shark that Philip's got his hands on, folks, we call her Loretta. And Loretta is a large female nurse shark in our tank here. Let me tell you, she's the big dog in here. She's one shark. You really don't want to keep your hands or feet directly in front of her face for any length of time, because if she bit you accidentally, it wouldn't be very pleasant. I guarantee you that. Now, one thing Philip's going to try and do here for you is going to see if he can get rid of these sharks upside down. Now what that does is basically put a shark into somewhat of a hypnotic state. We'll go with the little guy first here. We'll see how lucky he gets. Yeah, because the smaller ones are new to the tank. They don't like being... Wow, that was impressive. That shark is coming right along. Okay, well, he's going to show you how this works with the big girl. You see, Loretta's a little more mature of a shark. It was a lot easier. All right, got to kick her out of water down there. Here we go. Now he's turned this shark upside down. He's going to elevate her all the way up, and you can see this shark is just totally choked out there. All right, nice to see something go right for a change. Now let me tell you a little bit about Philip. You know, when Philip was a kid, he actually played a little rock.